Migago mar thieth ebo bar migago mar thieth ma malaria yango chanjo mar malaria kaka achiel kuom chanjo mochuno ne nyithindo ma hikgi ni piny 2 modak e kauntis 8 e sub counties 51 ma oluoro nam Lolwe. Ma kaluwore kod dwaro mar Kenya National Immunization Technical Advisory kotudore kod duol mochung' ne thieth e piny mangima WHO makoni gisetemo chanjo gi e pinje 3 kendo gin gi geno ni gibiro duoko piny tho momondo mag nyithindo mani piny mar higni 5 e alwora mag nam Lolwe. Yare higa mag 2019 chanjo ni chiwo sub counties 26 sani sub counties 25 mamoko omedi.
Find that usually within the town the parasites will still remain.
We are expanding the malaria vaccination into these 25 additional sub-counties because of the benefit that has been seen with the vaccine. The vaccine has reduced the cases of severe malaria and particularly admissions into hospital, and therefore it is recommended that this vaccine be used especially in these areas where there is a high transmission of malaria. These are areas in the lake region, the lake endemic zone, which have a very high transmission rate of malaria and also have a high risk of severe malaria, particularly for those children who are under 5 years of age.
The entire story of vaccination beyond the first year of life has been a challenge to the Ministry of Health in this country and all others. They do very well until the first birthday. Then it becomes more difficult and less frequent. So not just malaria, an overall advice that we must reconfigure how we deliver vaccines after the first year of life.